Hi, in this video with 836 Tommy Boy.
Okay, I'm letting her out.
Okay, yeah.
So somebody better get out.
Here, and I have this nice little multi-tool that was given to me, or my dad bought for me a long time ago, and it's really nice. The gerber suspension. I really like this one because it has a wood saw, screwdriver, 2 screwdrivers, plain edge, serrated, more screwdrivers, scissors, a little, I don't know what this thing is. It's like a little thing with a circle. No idea what that is. And I mean, I've got, it locks, which is a good thing. I could open this. You could just push this down. Oh yeah, I forgot to display this stuff. Wait, no problem. Yeah, hold on a sec. Okay, yeah, sorry about that. Yes, this is the gerber multitool, the suspension. Yeah, it's really nice. It's huge though, and then it comes with this leather sheet. No, not leather. Sorry, nylon. And then you just, it's tight fit, but it goes in. You look where it goes. And here, another good item by Gerber is the bear grill, flint and steel. Always keep that with a knife. So yeah, once again, this is Tommy 836 Tommy Boy. So yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.